All right, so today is Thursday, April the 2nd. So if you are watching this Thursday, April the 2nd, then you now know that we're going to have a secret Zoom meeting. The only way for you to know about the Zoom meeting is if you have actually watched the video. So congratulations to you for watching the video in an on-time manner. So let's go over two quick questions. The first question is about Nick and why he made such a long report. So let's remember that Nick was the big time waster. He had the question stopper. And so since he wasn't able to ask a question that stopped Mrs. Granger, he created a new plan that he was going to create such a long report that it was going to take the entire class period. The second question I want to go over is about Nick and these secret agents. Why exactly did Nick need secret agents? So we're right here on page 38. And so if I just read page 38 and about halfway down, it says it was John, Pete, Dave, Chris, and Janet, and Nick, and that 6 kids were secret agents. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with highlighting this. But as you know, I can't just read one sentence and that's it. I need to read around to see Nick has these 6 kids that he is going to create as secret agents, but I need to figure out what's going on. So I'm going to also read around that sentence to get a better understanding. So I'm going to read above it and I'm going to read below it. It's not too much. So I'm just going to read the remainder of the page. Let me get it highlighted. Maybe someday. There we go. All right, so half an hour later, a group of serious 5th graders had a meeting in Nick's playroom. It was John, Pete, Dave, Chris, and Janet, and Nick, and that was 6 secret agents. They held up their right hand to read the oath. So here's the oath. It says, from this day on and forever, I will never use the word pen again. Instead, I will use the word Frindle. And I will do everything possible so others will too. All 6 of them signed the oath with Nick's Frindle. The plan would work. Thanks, Miss Granger. So here we're looking to try to figure out, well, why does he need these 6 secret agents? It's really in the oath that he says. He says, from this day forward, I will never use the word pen. Instead of saying pen, I'm going to use the word Frindle. Not only am I going to use the word Frindle, all 6 of these agents who signed this oath, they're making a promise that I'm going to do everything possible to make sure others around me use the word Frindle too. So I'm not just going to use Frindle. I'm going to try to get everybody that I know, all of the other 5th graders, to use the word Frindle too. So he's using, not necessarily using, but he's getting his friends together so that they can not just read the oath. Because that's what some of you all chose, that he just wanted to read the oath. There was a bigger picture. I don't want you just to read the oath or to write the oath along with me. I want your help to get as many children as possible to use that word Frindle. All right. So I hope to see you at our secret meeting today.